Hello, and we're back with another video of JavaScript. In this video, I'm going to be showing basic aligning text and making it color. So, as usual, you want to start with the doc, type, then HTML, and then head. So I'm just gonna call it. I'm just gonna call it something simple, like text and color. Doesn't really matter though. So yeah, let me just put this down. There you go. Okay, so text and color. Now you're gonna start with the body. I don't like having this there. Take this out. And I'll put the link in the description of this website. It's really easy to use and it's really good. I'm just gonna put HTML. Put that wrong. Okay, take this one out. And I like to put a little space in between. So now what you're gonna do, okay, so now you're gonna do open body space ID, and then again you're gonna do those with body style equals text dash align, and the two dots, and then the center. And then you're gonna do that little thing. You're gonna close it with those and that. So basically now it's gonna be straight. I don't know why this is here. And now let's say, and now for the color, do a couple spaces. You don't have to do spaces, but I like to. H1 style, and then you want to do equals. Okay, now see color. So I'm gonna do color two dots. Now you could put. I'm gonna put green. This example, and then I'll show you other colors later. So after you do green, you're gonna want to do the dot with the thing. You want to do the two things like that, and then you want to close it. So, and then let's say over here, I'm gonna write sub, please. So now if I run this, it's gonna look like this. Text and color, sub, please. Now wait, I'll have to error in the code. You have another example right here. See, this one aligns in the middle for the subscribe. So I'm not sure what I did wrong. Probably something with the align. Oh, yeah, right here, I found it. Right here. Let's see if it works now. Yeah, there you go. I see a mistake with the align center. It's really easy to make mistakes, especially with keyboards and stuff. So yeah, so let's say I want to do red now. I would take out green and do red. Let's see if it works. Yep, that's in red. If I do, you can do specific colors. Like if I write lime. Oh no, oh you can. Okay. And orange. So yeah, very simple. Obviously, my favorite color is lime. So yeah, yeah, very short video. Yeah, 3 minutes. So if you did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. Really helps out a lot. It's free. You can always change your mind. Thanks for watching.